earlier hours, nagpadala yata former Congressman Saldico a video recording. At dyan po ay napakarami niyang sinasabi na aligasyon, ngunit hindi po pwedeng hindi bigyan po ng atensyon. Nagpapatunay lamang po na lumawak na po talaga at lumalim ang pinag-uusapan nating problema. We cannot ignore that statement uploaded in the Facebook, Mr. Chair. So, kung ang tinatanong ni Senator Sherwin kanina na pinipilit na sinasagot ni Prosecutor General Prosecutor, Prosecutor General Padulyon, sino po ba yung pinoprosecute natin ngayon? Mga accessories or mga... Meron po bang mga pangalan na?
Yeah, may I respond, Mr. Chair? As I mentioned earlier, the ones who are being investigated right now are personalities from the DPWH, officials of District 1 of Bulacan. They are the ones subject of the initial investigations undertaken by the Department of Justice. There are also other investigations which are being evaluated now prior to its filing with the department and eventually with the Office of the Ombudsman, sir.
Kanina po tinatanong niya kayo, he quoted the President na meron ng makukulong, sabi ng Presidente.
Sir, I do not know and I cannot speak for the President. I do not know what's in his mind.
I'm not saying that you will speak for the President. Si Senator Sherwin nagsabi, narinig niya na may makukulong. At kailan ang sinabi? Kailan, parang ang sinabi niya marami nang makukulong immediately.
Exactly, Mr. Chair. That's why I said I cannot speak or know the state of mind of the President when those statements were made. I was not privy to it, and neither do I know what the details of which. I can only speak of the cases being handled by the Department of Justice.
Hindi naman sasabihin ng Pangulo yun ang hindi niyo siya ina-advisean. The President will not state anything nang hindi niya nalalaman ang mangyayari. As a matter of fact, we assume that the Department of Justice might have advised him sapagkat hindi niya sasabihin ang kagaya ng sinasabi mo ngayon.
Yes, sir, but I cannot also make that assumption. No, I cannot base my answer on an assumption which is being made unless I was privy to the information that such advice was given to the President when he made that statement. I can only speak for what I know, sir, and what I have personal knowledge of.
So are you trying to assume that the President was ill-advised?
I'm not saying that the President was ill-advised. I just do not know who spoke to the President, sir, before he made that statement.
We're not saying that somebody spoke to the President. Senator Sherwin heard that the President was assuming that there will be somebody who will be jailed immediately.
Yes, sir. But your statement, Mr. Chair, is that you are of the assumption that the Department of Justice made that statement.
I'm not assuming anything. We're saying that the President told that somebody will be jailed. Kasi kung halimbawa, preliminary investigation pa lang, at saan kayo ng bola, pupunta kayo sa di ba meron kayong, sabi nyo nung isang araw, sa briefing, meron kayong memorandum of agreement with the Ombudsman that the DOJ can directly file cases to the Sandigan Bayan. What happens to that?
Sir, if we go over the memorandum of agreement simply says that we have the authority to investigate, and whatever the results are of our investigation, if it involves personalities with salary grade 27 and above, or cases cognizable by the Sandigan Bayan and offenses committed in relation to the performance of one's function, the same will still have to go through the Office of the Ombudsman for approval before it gets filed before the Sandigan Bayan.
That was not the kind of explanation given to me in the earlier hearing.
Kindly wrap up. I'll give you 1 more minute.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, wala kang nakikitang immediately na makukulong, di ba?
Up until the results of the investigation are finished, I wouldn't be able to make any statement to that effect, sir.
Meaning to say, yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Senate President.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much. Buti nabanggit ni Senator Marcoleta yung kaya may mga video Kasi Mr. Alex of Legacy, no, Alex Abelido, napanood akong video mo eh. Sabi mo wala kang flood control. Tapos wala kang ghost. Tama, ikaw ba yan?
I'm representing Legacy, sir.
Ha? Legacy, ikaw.
Yes po, sir.
Napanood ko yung video eh, ikaw eh. Ikaw ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, tapos, ano ba, parang may mga actuation ka ron, tapos sabi mo, wala kang ghost, wala kang luxury vehicles, maganda yung asawa mo. Yun mga sinabi mo dun eh. Ikaw ba yun?
I think somebody just played with the video, sir.
AI?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
Excuse me,
teka muna.
Senate President. Ako napanood ko rin yung sa TikTok, ano? Ikaw nagsasalita, sabi mo, wala po akong luxury vehicles, wala po akong ganito, pero maganda po yung asawa ko.
Sir, somebody just played with a video.
Pero boses mo yun, at saka itsura mo yun.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo boses yun.
Hindi po.
Anyway, so hindi pala ikaw yun. Because, sasabihin ko sana, parang, ano yun, sinabi mo rin dito na meron kang flood, ghost flood control.
Your Honor, we don't have any ghost projects.
Sabi mo, wala. O, yun ang sinasabi ko dito sa video na to eh. Baka ginagawa eh. Kasi dito sa listahan namin, meron ka eh.
Pwede natin mapanood, Mr. Senate President, kung meron.
Pinapahanap ko nga, wala eh. Ang nakita namin, ito eh. Legacy Construction Corporation.
Napanood ko, medyo gwapo ng konti kasi sa...
356.42 million. 4. 2 Region 4B, dalawang Davao, dalawang Region 4B. Ito'y galing po ito sa, DPWH.
ICI.
Yan. At saka ICI. Na ghost projects na inimbestigahan nila at pinuntahan nila yung lugar eh.
Mr. Baguio, yung sinabi ko, biro lang yun, baka kala mo eh.
Abelido. Alex, Abelido.
Biro lang yun, biro. Thank you.
Oo.
Sir, we were not informed by any district or regional officer regarding those ghost projects. Your
Well,
Honor.
anyway, I'm just citing official records. Records of the DPWH submitted to the ICI. Investigated. Bilang mo po eh. So, anyway. So, kung hindi naman ikaw yun, talagang yung AI eh, danger yan eh, no?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Napanood mo rin ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero sigurado ka hindi mo boses yun?
Hindi po, Mr. President.
Alright.
Ano exactly sinabi doon? Napanood ko na, kalimutan ko na eh.
Mr. Chair, nalilimutan ko na rin, Mr. Chair. I want to forget about that also.
Basta ang maliwanag lang doon, wala kang luxury vehicles. Kasi napapag-usapan mga luxury vehicles eh. Parang wala ka ring mga mansyon, parang ganun. At wala ka ring ghost project, pero maganda yung asawa mo. Hindi ikaw yun.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, it was not my voice.
Ako, I believed it was you when I watched it eh. Ikaw, did you believe it was you when you watched it?
No, Your Honor.
Because you knew that it wasn't you. Kasi alam niyong hindi ikaw.
Ang totoo lang dyan, Mr. Chair, maganda lang yung asawa ko.
Ayun lang totoo. Okay.
Senator Marcoleta, baka gusto mong bawiin yung sinasabi mo. Anyway, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ayoko na.
Mr. President, talagang bigla siyang gumawa po talaga.
We now asked Mr. and Mrs. Diskaya May nakuha po ba kayo doon sa inyong files?
Your Honor, kapiraso lang po yung nakuha ko dahil mauubos po yung time namin. Baka pagbalik po namin dito ay tapos na po ang hearing. So ito lang po, mga ilang piraso
So, ilan?
lang po. Mga ano lang po, 2 USEC